Hey guys, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey, and today I'll be solving my next question on Leetcode. This is problem number 342 power of 4, and I hope you guys are doing well. So let's get started without wasting any time, because this is very easy question. Believe me guys, this is very easy question. So very firstly, we'll read the question, we'll think the approach, very brute force approach. Well, we can solve this problem while using our little amount of brain. Okay, so let's get started. So here it is given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 4, otherwise return false. And an integer n is a power of 4 if there exists an integer x such that n is the power 4 ki power x. Okay, what does it mean? Guys, it is very easy question really. So we have an integer, in that we have to check whether that integer is the power of 4 or not. If it is power of 4, in that case we have to return true, else we have to return false. So let's see example number 1. In our input, it is our n is 13, our integer is 16. I'm so sorry guys, 16, and our output is true. Why? Because 16, 4 ki power of 4 is 16, like 4 just 16, that's why it is 16, it is true. N ki power 5 is not the power of 4. Okay, that's why it is false. After that, example number 3, n equals to 1, it is true. Why? Let's see. So what we'll do, like it is very easy, like we'll divide and we'll do modulo in this question, and we'll solve it very in a few minutes. So let's get started. So very firstly, we have class solution. Okay, we have public boolean. Why it is boolean? Because boolean we are using when we have to return something is true or false. In that case we are using boolean, and our method is power of 4. Okay, we have integer n. So let's get started. Very firstly, I'll give a condition. I'll give while, I'll use my while loop, while n is not equal to 0, while n is not equal to 0, in that case again I'll give a condition in my looping condition. If n equal to 1, if n equal to 1, so return true. Again, if n modulo, this time we will find our remainder. If n modulo 4 is not equal to 0, in that case return return, return false. Okay, and after that we'll do n equals to n divided by 4, because again we will check for our what remainder and quotient, and here I will return false. It's very easy, literally just run and check. I know it is correct. Yeah, as expected, n is 16, output is true, expected output is true. In case 2 also it is correct. So let's submit and check the beats. 100% beat guys. And with this question I have solved, let's see, 44 questions on my Leetcode, and my max streak is 29. अभी रात का टाइम हो रहा है, टाइम कहाँ है, 1:43, रात के 2 बज रहे हैं. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down any doubts if you have. So stay tuned, मिलते हैं next video में.